Presented by Juristroid, Aapka Apna Vakil. In today's financial world, transparency and compliance are essential. A Legal Entity Identifier, or LEI, helps identify entities engaged in financial transactions globally. Let's understand how you can apply for a Legal Entity Identifier in India, step by step. An LEI is a unique 20-character code that identifies legally registered entities participating in financial markets. It enhances trust, accuracy, and global recognition of an organization's identity. In India, LEIs are issued by Legal Entity Identifier India Limited, or LEIL, a subsidiary of the Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CCIL. You can apply through their official website, www.cccilindialei.co.in. Start by visiting the LEIL website and opening the section called Rules, FAQs and Docs. Read the chapters titled Getting Started and New Registration in the LEI Manual. Next, under Download, Legal Doc Download, download the list of required documents and prescribed formats. The person applying must be authorized, either through a letter of authority in LEIL's format or through a board resolution. Create an account on the LEIL portal to begin your application. Fill in the online form and make the payment using any accepted mode. Upload all required documents on the portal. If uploading is not possible, you can send physical copies by courier to LEIL. LEIL will verify your documents, payment, and application details. Once verified, your LEI code is issued within 1 to 2 working days. The registration fee is Rs 3,500 plus 18% GST, totaling Rs 4,030. For support, email leikalindia.co.in or call 1800-210-69990. An LEI is valid for 1 year from the date of issuance. To keep it active, it must be renewed annually with updated details and payment of renewal fees. The renewal fee is Rs 2,800 plus 18% GST, or Rs 3,304 per year. Multi-year renewal options are also available. If not renewed on time, the LEI is marked as lapsed. This can restrict financial transactions where an active LEI is mandatory. So that's how you can easily apply for and renew your Legal Entity Identifier in India. Stay compliant, stay transparent, and keep your LEI active. Juristroid, Aapka Apna Vakil.